Hello, it's me again, Reggie. For today's video, we are going to unbox this product that I have bought a while ago. Okay, oh, it's very hard. My son Ringo is not here. He's not here, so I will be doing it alone. Okay. So this is a WAGNER Power Steamer 915E steam cleaner. So let's see inside what are the parts of this product. Wait. Okay, first I have seen the manual. Of course, before you will be using the product, this item, you must first read the manual. Very important. It comes in a different languages. I don't know. It comes from a different languages. Oh, this is, oh my god. There is no English. I will look at if this in English translation, because if not, how can I? This is comes in an Espanol. Espanol language. Oh, how can I read this? This is an Espanol. Yeah. This is an Espanol. Let's see. We will check it out. Okay. So this is this. Power steamer. So here. I thought that I only see in Spanish manual, but now have an English translation, have an English manual. So yes, it's easy to understand everything what is in this product. So just forget about that. Okay. First, this one is, how can I? Obviously, this is the. Wait, I must first take pictures so that if ever there's problem, then I can handle it easily. So, wait. This is the for the this is for the map. These are the accessories. I find it not so really okay. These are the accessories. There, this one. And this is the product. Ringo is not here, so I am having hard time. Since Ringo is not here, I'm having hard time opening, unboxing. Okay, this is tools for okay. So let's see now this is small. This is small and cute. It's handy, very handy. Yeah, very handy. And yeah, and these are the accessories. What am I? What can I do? These are the accessories. Okay, this one is the handle. Okay, it's good for if you go outside like cleaning or something for auto, you know. This is good, this is helpful. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at the accessories. Okay, so okay, this have a very cute and this one, okay, I'm not really okay. And this one must be very careful because this one is not okay. This one is nice. These are all these ones. So these are the WAGNER, and this one is for what is this? Okay. Yeah, these are all these ones. So I don't understand for what this small, for what this is, for what this one is. This I don't understand for what this here. It's very cute for this. For this one, I don't understand for this. This one, or I don't know where I can use this one. I don't know where I can use this one. I don't know. Okay. So you need there is also something like that. A lot of accessories. Yes, a lot of accessories, and yeah, a lot of accessories. I don't know where I must use this. Yeah, I must first. Yeah, and this one you must provide another cloth. This cloth is very small. You need to provide a cloth for that. For where is this cloth? Very cute. For the brushes, something like that. Oh, I don't understand, but I'm thinking, I'm really thinking this is a very uh mobile, like very easy to carry if you like cleaning your auto or something. Yeah, this is really, it's very cute, and I like it. The size is not so heavy, it's not so big, but for me, I find it actually a little bit, the materials, I don't know, let's just try. Yeah, I'll just try this. If it's really working, if it's this item I am looking for, because I'm really looking for a good quality. But this one is the price is not so. It's the price is, I bought it for about like 100 euro, something like 101 euro. so it's not so expensive, right? So, but what I like most is this here. This one I like most this one. This, so you can put outside, you can do the, yeah. So guys, I must think first before I really decide if it's really the items that I'm looking for. Yes, so let's try. We will try it. Yeah. So that's for today's video. I hope you got something from me. I hope you can help me decide if it's the product that I'm looking for. Please leave a comment down below because I'm having a hard time searching for a steamer. So yes, for me I give this like, it's okay because it's not so expensive, but I will try this first if it's really the product that I'm looking for. It's very hard. Yes, very hard, but you must check and try. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and it's very nice if you can also like and share, and yeah, hit the notifications bell button so that you'll be updated here in my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you very much for watching, for the support, and yes, please, it's very nice if you can leave a comment down below. Help me if this product I'm looking for is this good? What do you think? Because for me, I can say it's like a 6. My honest opinion, my honest review. I haven't used it yet, but if I look out, if I check the, oh, I like this. It's very cute, and you can bring it easily outside. But the materials here that they are using for the accessories, I'm like kind of hesitate. I'm I don't know, but I haven't tried it. But yeah, it's like, it's for me, it's not so durable, or, and these are nice, but I'm looking for a small like this, but this is too big for me, so I'll think about it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and yes, thank you so much. Have a nice day.